Geometrical meaning of maxima and minima. If fx is a function given and its graph is in this manner, firstly increasing, then decreasing, then increasing. For this function we have to find the maxima and minima from a to b in between x equal to a to x equal to b. At the point where the curve turns, firstly dy upon dx is positive for this function, dy upon dx is negative for this function because decreasing, and at the point c dy upon dx equal to 0. Same condition here. For this curve decreasing, then dy upon dx negative, and for this dy upon dx is positive. Here the function is increasing, here decreasing, here decreasing, and here increasing. In case of increasing, f dash x is greater than 0, and in case of decreasing, f dash x less than 0. This is the absolute minimum and this is the absolute maximum, absolute minimum at x equal to a and x equal to b. And here that is local maxima and here local minima. Why here dy upon dx positive? Because y is increasing and here y is decreasing. At a point of maxima, we can say that necessary condition for existence of maxima and minima, that is dy upon dx equal to 0. At the point of maxima, dy upon dx changes sign from positive to negative. Maxima here positive, dy by dx positive, then after negative, and in between both, that is dy upon dx equal to 0. And this, then we can say and function is decreasing because positive to negative, then double differentiation of this will be less than 0, decreasing. For minima, changes sign from negative to positive, and for this function is increasing, then d square y upon double differentiation, or we can say differentiation of dy upon dx, because dy upon dx is increasing function, then its differentiation will be positive for increasing.